Hello, I am Alona Maranta, the creator of the Local Market PH. This project was inspired by the small vendors and micro entrepreneurs from the Philippines who struggle to bring their business online due to digital barriers, high fees, and complex systems. And I wanted to change that by building a simpler, community driven marketplace made for locals sellers. So local market PH is an all-in-one platform built with Google EI Studio, Firebase real-time database, and then um, I deploy the app through Cloud Run. So local market PH is connecting local sellers directly with the community, enabling barangay stores to expand their reach, fostering economic growth within neighbors, providing convenient access to locally sourced goods. So here is the local entrepreneur challenges of every Filipinos. So number one, the small Filipino vendors rely heavily in walk-in customers. So in here, we really go to malls and other grocery stores to buy. So I realized that developing a simple barangay-based digital marketplace is essential. It was first arrived on thinking to work on this when I have a Facebook community. So I was in Cebu and there was a community that they have a group chat for ordering. So they can post in there and then someone will order. So it gives me the idea. The number three, existing online platforms often have a high fees and complexity. So currently Shopee does have 20% for each of the sellers when they post their products. So that is one example. And then local vendors struggle to establish a proper online presence. So that is also the challenges of the local entrepreneur. So digital divides sellers, affordable online selling tools are currently unavailable. So local commerce suffers from a distinct lack of trust and verifications. Small sellers find it difficult to reach nearby potential buyers. So I notice currently that there are a lot of scammers online. So for us to for us to approve each. So we have to verify the identification like ID, business permits, and other business related verification that needs to be screened before they use our app. Small sellers find it difficult to reach nearby potential. So uh, it has a filtering option where they can filter barangays and nearby by filtering. So I hopefully I can integrate it in the future for geolocations nearby. So local market solution, easy registration process for both buyers and sellers. So it is really simple as that, but when verification process, we need to screen and approve or reject the applications. So displaying all product listings at the barangay level, utilizing chat for streamlined transactions and communications. So I added a chat model for them to check messages if there are any issues or inquiries from each of the client. And then profile dashboard, simplify management for all registered users. So buyer, admin, and seller have their own users dashboard. Firebase real-time database provides up-to-date information. So key local market features, simple dashboard for managing buyer and seller profiles, strict QIC verification process builds necessary community trust. Location-based filters enable highly localized shopping experience. Integrate chat facilitates direct and easy buyer communication. Low 1% commission supports increased profitability for vendors. So the 1% will be we will charge each of the products once it is marked as sold. So they need to pay the commission amount of each product sold before they can use again the platform. So it will auto disabled if there are no payments within 5 days for the commission of each product in order for us to have the fund to sustain the app learning to build. So the challenges that I have is I do have a web coding, website building, website design background, but ideally I don't have backgrounds to integrate with Firebase from the code. So the biggest challenge that I have when I need to synchronize the data from different browsers. So at first I noticed that when I create an account on a certain browser and then on the other browser it doesn't save. So I noticed that there is no synchronization. So I find it difficult, but I'm learning about it. So I successfully integrated the Firebase real-time database. This allowed automation and cross-browser data flow, learn complex logic to connect backend with frontend. So thank you for Google AI Studio to make this project happen. So scaling local market page. So in the future, we would like to have a mobile application launch using Flutter or React Native. So I hope Google AI Studio will help me for that. And then implement AI-based product categorization for easier browsing. Blockchain verification will ensure trust and transparency. Expand the platform to multiple provinces across the nation. So right now we will just make it happen on our area, and then if it is once utilized, then I hope we can do more nationally. And that's it. Thank you.